today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads conversion tracking to your WordPress site. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear and detailed understanding of how to set up this important tool for your online success. First, you'll want to log into your Google Ads account. This will serve as your main control center for managing and tracking your ad campaigns effectively. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left panel, hover your mouse over the section labeled Goals, and from there, under the Conversions category, click on Summary. This area will give you an overview of your current conversion settings. Now, in the bottom right corner of this page, you'll notice a button labeled Create Conversion Action. Go ahead and click on that. When prompted, select Website as the type of conversion you are aiming to track. You'll then need to enter the URL of your site. At this point, an option will appear to scan your site. This is an optional step but can be helpful to ensure everything is working seamlessly with your specific setup. Next up, you'll need to choose the type of conversion that best represents your goal. This could be a purchase, an add to cart action, a sign up, or any other meaningful interaction on your website. Following that, it's time to configure your settings more closely. Start by naming your conversion action. For example, if this is for tracking purchases on your WordPress store, you might name it Purchase WordPress Store. You'll also need to assign a value to these conversions. Decide if each conversion holds the same value, different values, or if you prefer to not assign a specific value at all. Additionally, you'll select whether to count every conversion action or just one per click. This can be adjusted depending on how you define success for your campaign. After configuring these settings, click Done, and then Agree and Continue. Now, having completed this setup, you'll be provided with two options for implementing the conversion tracking code. Either install the tag yourself or use Google Tag Manager. For those who prefer more control over their setup, installing it yourself may be the best option. The next step involves adding the event snippet. This is the piece of code that needs to be placed on the page where the conversion takes place, such as a thank you page. With the snippet ready, head over to your WordPress site, go to the plugins section, and search for WP code. This is a customizable plugin that will allow you to easily edit your site's header and insert your Google tag there. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding Google Ads conversion tracking to your WordPress site. This configuration will enable you to precisely track the effectiveness of your campaigns and optimize your advertising strategies accordingly. If you followed along, your site is now well equipped to help you monitor your goals efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in advancing your digital marketing efforts.